My country pipu, una welcome back to my channel today. Sholzy don come out come react to im wife collecting an award for her university, and the thing don spark reaction online. And also Sheggz and Bella, they don come out come make the announcement say dem dey come back for Big Brother Naija season 9, and also other Big Brother Naija past housemates dem wan come back for season 9. And lastly, Chizzy for the level up season don come out come give us the big announcement of wetin God do for am. So as we all know, Chizzy don for the Big Brother level up season, im marry few months ago and im wife don put to bed a bouncing baby boy. And if im closest padi wey be Phyna don come out to come celebrate am. So she come say we have a bouncing baby boy, come tag am at official Chizzy. Odogwu has proven himself. Congratulations my G. My future son-in-law has been born. So congratulations to Chizzy. Even though say people dey come out dey talk say Chizzy na because he give woman belle na make him marry her, all those type of thing. The truth be say most of the time once person don get good news, Nigerians most especially human being, they go dey find the bad thing wey happen in between that good news. Why can't you celebrate people and leave? I no even know. Chizzy wedding never pass 1 year. I've been waiting. I not remember when I dropped that news for you, but even if it never passed, it doesn't concern anyone. The fact say he did the right thing by marrying her into the family, I think he did well. So congratulations to him and his family. So Big Brother Naija season 9, the audition, they say the audition don start today, which is 27th March, and na 8 p.m. na the thing dey open. So if you are interested, may you go apply. Now this time around, people dey do am say na 2 people. You bring yourself and another person, na go come in duo, which is 2. Now 2 Big Brother wan pay am. So if you be say you fit even bring you and your husband, if you want you fit bring you and your boyfriend, if you want you fit bring you and your girlfriend, girl, boy, anyone wey be say you wan bring, but na 2 people na go come in. Just be like that Big Brother Africa wey be say do that time. I don't know what na star game na they call am. That Marvin and Beverly time, abi. So na that type na they won't do again. And the requirements, they say all you have to do is just make and upload a 3 minutes video telling Big Brother why both of you should be in the Big Brother house together. You have to audition together, describing yourselves and where you are from. Talk about your personalities, your favorite things, like, dislike, unique things about both of you, and how it may help you do well on BBNaija season 9. Stay natural, don't force it, keep it fun. So I remember say Adekunle don even tell us before to say if you wan apply for Big Brother Naija, say make you make sure say the thing dey natural. Make you no go dey use AI, artificial intelligence, just because you wan try to speak big English or you wan do this one. Be real. If you know say you be person wey be say dey like speak English and pidgin, dey speak am for inside the video as you dey do the 3 minutes video. If you know say you be person wey be say dey like speak English throughout, speak English throughout. If you know say you be person wey be say like speak English, pidgin and another language, my dear, do all of it. Big Brother na that kind thing biggie they always like. So I wish everybody success for those of una wey be say wan apply. So as Biggie come out come make this big announcement, some of una fave come out come dey chip in their own. They come dey give us hints say I might be coming back, all those type of thing. So Big Brother say exciting news, Biggie is back for BBNaija season 9 audition. So Dorothy come say thank you to everyone that has tagged me, application sent. Sheggz come to say 2 to tango, aka Sheggz and Bella, come put laughing emoji. The last person here na Allison for the level up season. She too come say thank you for this opportunity. Well, I don't know whether these people really dey come back or just dey chase clout under Big Brother post. But if e be say that they come back, I don't know wetin I wan watch where Allison won't give me for inside Big Brother house. Honestly, Allison was very boring for level up season, and Big Brother need to stop this thing wey they do. If Big Brother wan continue to dey bring people we don watch before, it just doesn't make any sense to me. Give us new faces, people wey be say we never see before. I no fit continue, I no fit dey watch Allison again and her head now. E no make any sense. And as for Sheggz and Bella, in my own opinion, I no believe say these 2 people they go carry their 2 left leg come inside Big Brother house again, because 1, 2 of them don talk am for reunion, to say they no wan come back. And me, I no wan watch Sheggz and Bella again for inside Big Brother house. I want fresh people. I no wan see all those old people for there. Make they give us new faces so we never see before. We just finish watching All Stars. Now all the people we don dey see all these years, now they pack for there. So make they give us new faces. That's my own opinion. If una like old faces, now una own. But for me, I wan see fresh people there. So Omoshala wife, newly wedded wife, she go on stage to go collect her merit award for her performance for the university wey be she dey school. So as she stand up for the chair dey go, nobody dey clap now. So Sholzy, na as we all know, Sholzy na just to ginger people up make dem clap for a wife, all type of thing. And from wetin I notice say immediately im start to dey shout warri, all those type of thing, people come start to dey clap for the girl. Normally if person dey come out dey come collect award, dem suppose to clap for am, but I no know why everybody just quiet like that. So
Worry!
the guy just try to ginger people to clap for the wife. As he do that thing, na some people come dey shout talk say why him go embarrass the wife like that, say if na dem dey go dey ashamed, all those type of thing. All of people wey be say watch Chizzy for inside Big Brother not to say Chizzy is a noise maker, and na so im just be. The wife wey marry am no talk say na so her husband be. She know say the guy go must shout worry for that place. He no send oyibo people. So I no know why people dey talk all those things. Most see some comment under this reaction wey be say so the person say I find this absolutely disgraceful. He couldn't keep it at home. Another one say he couldn't keep it at home. The next one say so if he didn't shout they won't clap. Come put laughing emoji. And so we see am. Adibi not shout, they for not clap. The girl for just waka silently like that. Go collect her award, come back to her seat. Imagine. The last person can say you are bashing on Moshala saying cringe, embarrassing, blah blah blah. If e reach una party na turn, make una form push, but allow him celebrate the way he want. Who una push help? Na una help am dey train im wife? Foolish people forming up and down. If the so-called dignitaries there could laugh and clap after a shouted worry, who are you in your tash house to complain? Abeg, make una carry seat go back, go sit down, abeg. To me, I no see anything wey dey wrong for Chizzy shouting worry for that place. Na the only way wey be say you go take support your wife. If you no shout am, una notice say nobody for clap. The way the girl take waka go, na so she for take waka come back without any applaud. Abeg, make una leave people wey be say wan be pangolo, make dem be pangolo. Those wey wan be posh, make dem be posh. Una take care, una bye.